So in our previous video, I specifically gave you guys this zone as a reversal zone for the price of XCN, and I told you guys, should XCN continue her correction, we are likely to get a slight deviation below this price of 0.0166 and then get a reversal to the upside. That was exactly what happened. So congratulations if you took this trade. If you placed your limit buy order there, you should be in profit right now. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame for the price of XCN, and as you can see, when we got the slight deviation, I think this deviation was as a result of the BTC aggressive dump. BTC dumped minus 4.6%, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it dumped all the way from 97k all the way to 93k, 4k difference from the previous price, and it dumped minus 4.6%. So that was the reason why XCN dumped slightly below this price zone, which was what we were anticipating and expecting as well. As you can see, this projection we drew in our previous video. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new videos like this. If you're yet to smash the like button, please destroy the like button, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. So let's proceed. We are currently rejecting from this resistance zone, the resistance zone around 0.019. You get? So we need to see this XCN price flip that zone into a support, the zone around 0.019. The moment we are able to successfully go above that zone, flip it into a support, then it's going to be a massive moonshot to the upside for the price of XCN. That is just it. As long as we are below that it's a minor resistance zone, so I think there's nothing to worry about. But as long as we are below that minor resistance zone, I don't see XCN price going further to the upside. But if you are but I think it's likely to break above the resistance and continue her journey to the upside, because if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, the dominance is currently experiencing a correction to the downside. We corrected all the way from 65.38%, and we are currently at 63.83%. We are left with 22 days and 14 hours for this monthly candle to close. Now, as long as this correction continues to the downside, our altcoins are likely to pump more aggressively. Now, this correction for the BTC dominant isn't even significant yet. It hasn't even corrected minus 2% or 3%. But look at what is happening in the altcoin market. Most altcoins are already aggressively reversing, recovering from their dip. Now imagine when the BTC dominance start correcting aggressively to the downside. That is when you can begin to see profit of 100% on a daily base, steady pump on the altcoin market. And if this BTC dominant agrees to follow the same pattern it has followed in the previous cycle, then we should be expecting a minus 39% correction. Now imagine what the altcoin market will look like if the BTC dominant should follow the same pattern. If you're paying attention to history, if history is to repeat itself, May 2021, the BTC dominant got her bottom in May. Same thing happened in May 2018. Now, even if we are not to bottom in this May 2025, and it's to happen in another month, because a lot of things have changed in this market cycle. But the pump altcoins are going to get is going to be diabolical. It's going to be aggressive, because the BTC dominant, like I said, hasn't even dropped minus 2%, but the altcoins are already rallying gradually to the upside. Now imagine when the BTC dominant drops minus 39%. A lot of you still holding on to your losses, onto your bags, are going to be happy you did. So this is a very bullish news for the Nomi Finance. We talked about this project in our previous video, and the Nomi Finance is currently in the final stage of talk to acquire a EMEA-based banking service with over 3 million clients. As you can see over here, with over 3 million clients, they want to acquire the banking service. You can read more for yourself to bring yourself up to speed. The Nomi token value increases because of the growing treasury reserve, the buyback. If you can check the approve of reserves here, and also the buyback and bond mechanisms in place, which thereby decreases the circulating supply of the Nomi token and increases the value you get. And also the rising demands for the Nomi finance product is what is going to propel the price of the token, the Nomi token, to continue to increase exponentially to the upside. The project is trusted by people worldwide, and the project is over 6 years old. Insurance on custodian asset worth over $7 billion. Nomi users worldwide are over 1.5 million people, which is massive if you ask me. Now, to get started on this project, the link to get started will be in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video. Now, if you should click on this company icon right here, you're going to see this section of Nomi token. By the time you click there, it's going to take you to the Nomi token page to get where you can purchase the token. Now, it's going to take you to this page. Type in the amount you want to buy and click on buy. By the time you click on buy, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be required to do the final purchase. So I'll be purchasing, and you can then scroll down and select this icon to select whatever asset you want to buy with. I would go with USDT, and I currently have a USDT balance of $5,478 you get. So the next thing to do is to type in the amount you wish to buy with. The minimum purchase amount is $250 you get. So let me just go with maximum in order to maximize my profit. I'll be getting 91,281 Nomi token. So when you're satisfied with that, and after listing, as you can see the price projection right here, after listing, I'm expecting to get a $27,385 worth of my Nomi token you get. So the price is likely to increase at least 5x after listing on major exchanges, which is already confirmed, by the way. And yeah, so whatever I say in this video is truly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. So the next thing to do is to click on buy to proceed with my purchase. So you guys need to take action right now. Invest wisely. Don't invest your survivor funds on this project. You get, invest wisely, please. And yeah, so as you can see, purchase successful. Nomi token has been credited to your wallet. You can now freely use them across the ecosystem, interest account, governance, and many more. So if you should click on my token right here, it's going to take you to all the assets you currently own. So as you can see over here, the previous Nomi token I bought a couple of days ago was 170,649 Nomi token, and the one I just bought is 91,000 Nomi token you get. So that's that for that. And so you guys need to seize this opportunity now. This project can easily bring you between 5 to 50x return on your investment. Like I said earlier, invest wisely. Don't invest your survivor funds on this project. Don't borrow to invest. If you're paying attention to the altcoin season index as well, in our previous video it was around 15%. We are now currently at 40%. That is indicating that we are gradually moving to the altcoin season now. All this happened in the space of less than 2 weeks. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. You guys need to hold on to your horses. For those that are yet to bag more XCN coin, you have to seize the opportunity now before you end up getting sidelined. You get. So as always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space.